Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. You come to 2D and this interface, and let's start by picking our circle tool and draw a circle of diameter 40. Enter. We are drawing another circle of diameter 60. Enter. Right click, OK, then let's zoom out. Sorry. Okay, so next we want to do is pick a line tool, right? So we have been told that from this point backwards, just make sure your line is straight, is 115. So 115, enter. So let's zoom out. So we have been told that distance upwards, make sure your line is straight, is 10. You put 10, enter. Then now bring it back to this circle, make sure your line is straight before you drop it off. Straight, and I've dropped mine off. So don't turn off your line to come to this wall. Just join these two guys together. Right click, OK, then pick your trimming tool. We begin to trim off things we don't need. We don't need this guy, we don't need this guy, and we don't need this guy. So you go ahead and finish sketch, and let's extrude all of this backwards 80 mm. Enter. Cool. So come back to that same face, enter, edit sketch. So back to this again. All we want to do now is we want to draw a circle of diameter 22 and 40. Pick your circle to anywhere you want. So diameter 22, enter. That same point, diameter 40, enter. Right click, OK. Then you want to pick your dimension to next. You want to pick your dimension to right, touch this center and this table. Then make sure it is height 60, enter. Let's zoom out. So you want to come again, touch this center and this wall, not that point, the wall here. I want to make sure that's 35, enter. Cool. You finish sketch, and let's extrude just this circle. Cool. It's the same thing, 80, then press OK. Now let's go to the top. Oh, sorry, before we do that, let me do this. Come to origin. So once we work on the top part here, this guy. So now we'll be offset, come to plan offset, then want to go upwards by, we have 20 plus 30 as 50. Want to go upwards, sorry, 30 plus 30, that's 60 by 60, enter. Good. So click on this plane, edit sketch, then pick our line to construction line. Sorry, let me zoom out. Then go to this center, drag it down, and yeah, this center, drag it, yeah, come outside, right click, OK, then go off this, turn it off, and then pick our circle tool. So we want to draw two circles, diameter 16 and 30, center diameter 16 and diameter 30, enter, finish sketch. So extrude this guy. Want to do two this guy, right? Let's look at it from the top again. Cool. Then we'll click on plus. Want to click on this other circle alone and tell it to cut through all. Then okay. So let's see, did it do what we want it to do? Yeah, it cut through everything. That's looking nice. So let's hide our work plane, visibility off. Yeah. So next one we want to do is we want to draw like a triangle here. So let's look for the plane. This plane. Offset it by -5. Yeah. Then click on the plane, edit sketch, and slice. So next is pick your line tool. Look for the center. Yeah, I found the center. Just come downwards. Yeah, touch that, then drag it downwards. Make sure your line is straight and you want to sit here. Cool. Then come to the center, drag it to the circle, touch, then come to your tangential constraint, touch this line and touch a circle. Yeah, that's adjust. Okay, so finish sketch and let's extrude. So yeah, we're extruding backwards, that direction 8 mm. Enter. Cool. Then next in line again, we want to draw a rectangle or a board behind. Yes, what we want to do is let's turn off this guy. Open visibility off. So pick our work plane again. Yeah, this guy. So we want to offset plane by 10 mm. Enter. Enter. Let's slice. Sorry. Enter sketch. This sketch and let's slice. Cool. Let's draw out our diagonal line so it will help us. Remember I did these 14 lines. Click on the green, extend it downwards until you see another green. Right click, okay, then come to rectangle. I want to use this rectangle, not this. Then come anywhere here in the center. Stretch, so you want to do 54 by 8. Enter. Oh sorry, Ctrl Z. Make sure you turn this off. Rectangle 2 again. Let's click. Also, let's go again. Rectangle 2. 54. 8. Cool. Then pick your dimension to touch this wall and the wall of our triangle. Make sure it's 35. By distance, cool. Then you finish sketch and let's extrude. So we want to extrude upwards to the height of, or no, let's just do 2. This, finish sketch, cool. Let's hide that work plane, turn off visibility. Then we do the same thing again. We need a specific plane, which is YZ offset. What's the distance? If we're going this direction, so we have We have 5 plus 8 plus 54 equals 67. So we are putting minus 67, minus 67. X will come to our okay, y, z plane, and let's offset it. Offset this direction is okay, negative minus 75, and then let's rotate the